How many times have you opened a conversation with the same tired line? "Hi, how are you?" It's polite but forgettable. It sparks no curiosity. It creates no connection. Most of the time it dies on impact. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people aren't unattractive. They're unfelt. They speak, but they don't land. They talk, but they don't connect. Because attraction isn't built by saying more. It's built by making someone feel safe, seen, and understood. And that begins with presence. Today I'm giving you 4 simple words. Words that lower defenses, deepen connection, and make your presence unforgettable. Stay with me, because near the end, I'll give you one powerful replacement for "Hi, how are you?" A phrase that instantly shifts the energy of any interaction. When people feel misunderstood, they become defensive. When they feel judged, they close up. When they feel ignored, they disengage. But when they feel received, their guard drops. Stoicism understood this long before modern psychology named it. The calm listener becomes magnetic because they replace emotional chaos with relief. And relief is addictive. Here are the 4 words. Word 1, understand. To understand someone is to give them one of the rarest gifts today, the feeling of being truly seen. Most people don't want advice first. They want recognition. Instead of fixing or correcting, say, "I understand you." Then pause. That pause says, "You don't have to fight to be heard here." When people stop fighting, they relax. And when they relax, they lean in. Word 2, sense. As in, that makes sense to me. It doesn't mean you agree. It means you respected their reasoning. Make it specific. That makes sense to me given what you experienced. Now your words become a mirror, and when people feel reflected, they feel safe. Safety builds trust. Trust builds attraction. Word 3, right. Used carefully, this word is powerful. Almost everyone fears being wrong or invisible. So when you say, "You're right about that part," defensiveness collapses. You don't lose power. You gain influence. This signals maturity, and maturity is attractive. Word 4, listen. As in, I'm listening. In a world obsessed with responding, real listening feels rare. No interruptions, no distractions, just presence. When you truly listen, you're saying, "Right now you matter." Attention creates relief. Relief creates trust. Trust creates attachment. That's why true listeners are unforgettable. Now replace "Hi, how are you?" with this. "Tell me something good." It disarms people. It invites meaning instead of routine. They pause. They think. They share something real. And now you have the tools to hold that space like a Stoic. Understand. Sense. Right. Listen. Not manipulation. Not charm. Presence. So, which word hit you hardest? Comment one word below and write, "I choose presence."